Let's cook again, and this time I'll show you my other fried rice. The ingredients are: we have bacon shoulders, we also have large chicken breast, we have eggs, we also have onion, garlic, Kashmiri powder, salt and pepper to taste, oil for sauteing, and of course rice. I'll be adding butter as well. Cut the bacon into small cubes. Cut the chicken into small sizes. Now that we're done slicing our meats, let's proceed with cutting our onions and garlic. And I forgot, we will add veggies, frozen veggies as well. Let's start cooking. I always start with the garlic. Now let's add the onions. Then add the bacon. Then let's add the bread chicken cubes. Now that it's dry, let's add the Kashmiri masala. We can already add the vegetables. Our egg. Let's add olive oil. Our finished product. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.